Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Convert 650 mm Hg to ATM. Correct answer is to convert 650 mm Hg to ATM, we need to remember that 1 ATM is equal to 760 mm Hg. Therefore, the conversion formula is 650 mm Hg 1 ATM by 760 mm Hg equal 0.8553 ATM. So 650 mm Hg is equivalent to 0.8553 ATM.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.